Here is the information on the ground mounting system MD-GM01 manufactured by Minde Aluminium. This product is an excellent solution for installation of commercial and residential solar arrays. High degree of pre-assembly eliminates the need for on-site cutting and welding, ensuring quick and easy installation process. Systems components are made from high-strength aluminium alloy, guaranteeing durability and long service life. High-quality materials and sturdy design assure ability to stand up to harsh weather conditions, with wind load up to 216 km per hour and snow load of up to 1.5 kilonewtons per square metre. We can customise the system to customer requirements, designing clamps, rails and other elements to perfectly suit to your project. Strict quality control ensures the structural strength and durability of the system. Its design life is 25 years, and certain of our manufacturing quality, we offer 10 years warranty for this product. We offer a detailed installation guide with each system and 24 hours online support by telephone or email. Our dedicated team will answer all of your questions and recommend your best solution. Our logistics service will process your order without delay, choosing best international forwarder and send customer clearance documents in time, keeping the shortest delivery time for every customer. The system's parts of the SGS and RoS certified are our company operates according to ISO 9001-2015 management quality standards. Our payment terms are for order amounts more than $5,000, 30% TT as deposit, 70% balance should be paid before shipment. For amounts less than $5,000, 100% prepaid is to reduce extra bank charge and save time. If needed, we can send a sample by air with a bulk order followed by sea. Minde Aluminium, founded in 2008, is a company group manufacturing various aluminium-based products, including solar mounting systems. Minde has its own aluminium production facility, allowing us to lower production costs and to be sure of aluminium quality. We also have our own R&D centre with more than 20 engineers, some of whom have more than 10 years' experience. We spend 5% of our annual sales on product technology development. We have always been focused on aluminium materials. Our factory and company employees have many years of experience in the aluminium industry, which allows us to manufacture top quality products which we export all over the world.